guys, today I will show you how to make cold brew using one of SYBO's 50 cups, 100 cups coffee urn. These are great to make cold brew, and since summer is around the corner, why not, show you how to make cold brew with one of the coffee urns.
Okay, so the first thing you'll need is coffee grounds. I highly recommend cold brew coffee. Personally, I prefer a lighter roast because it has a higher caffeine content, but you can also do a medium to dark roast depending on your preference. Next, what you'll need is water. I'll fill up the urn with 30 cups of water. Although this is a 50 cup coffee urn, you can adjust the amount based on how much coffee you'll need. For me, 30 cups is more than enough for the whole week. Okay, let's get brewing. So first, we remove the lid from the coffee urn. Now we remove the stem and basket. Now we will add our water into the urn. And now that we added the water into the urn, we will put the stem and basket back in the urn. You'll then add your ground coffee. Since I'm brewing only 30 cups of water, the recommended serving is 2 cups of coffee. However, since I prefer my coffee strong, I'll be adding an extra cup of ground coffee. The recommended servings are included in your manual book. You will put the lid back on and turn on your coffee urn. Now, just let it do its job in brewing the cold brew. I usually wait 20 to 25 minutes for the cold brew to be done brewing. Finally, just add your cold brew into a pitcher and place it in the refrigerator to cool down. Once your cold brew is cold, it's ready to serve. Enjoy.